Good morning, everyone. My name is Jody. My husband David John and I have a small farm in North Idaho, and these are the adventures of the life on our farm. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and on with today's adventure. So we got a bundle of pine shavings. Going to see what it looks like for putting in the Muscovy pen and the chicken pen to help make the Muscovy pen a little less muddy and give the chickens a little drier area. So see what we got and how we're going to spread it out. So there's our big bundle of straw.
Well, kiddos. What do we got for space in there? Okay.
Just stack them up there and then take them as we need them, or?
Well, I want to put some over there along the corner there.
Yeah.
So probably just split the difference. Put probably half of them in there and half of them over there.
Okay. I hate it when I hit the wrong button on the GoPro and I turn it off.
You turned it off?
Because then it turns all the way off. Not what
I was thinking whole bales.
we were thinking whole bales of straw.
You want the white one?
No, that would take all the fun out of getting covered in.
Think it'll stay? We'll see. Will it stay, guys?
So does it stay upright or does it fall over? So we're gonna go through and kind of get this area tidied up and then get some straw down for them. And have one of the roosters and a chicken. You can see the hen right there on the wrong side of the fence. Hopefully she'll fly back home.
that corner.
Now the debate, where do we put the water dish? I don't know, you're the one that raked over there.
Well, we can move this back over.
Here.
Kind of wanted to put the straw here and there, though.
Oh, I thought you were putting it over there.
I could put it there too. I just need to move that over. What do you think? Huh? Where do you want it?
We typically get more snow on this side.
Okay, so we can move these rocks and then just set the straw there. Just have to kick this over a bit. Now we need the shovel.
Then that is their dusting bowl. Go grab the shovel to refill it. Okay, I'm gonna go get the green extension cord. How do you want to run it into here?
Just go right over the
Right over the top. Okay. Gonna put their water dish in the far corner. And hopefully what I got to repair it repairs it, because it just leaks.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Yeah. Checking that old world out here? Yeah.
You guys helping? Plug in this light and see if it works and show you the hopeful fix on the
Plug it to the what side of the timer? Or?
No, I plugged it straight into the green thing. I think the light bulb's probably dead. But there's another one sitting right in on the Lidman shelf. Should be good. Hi, babies. So while he's grabbing another light bulb, our water has got a screw that goes through this, which just needs to get washed out, and through this there's a built-in nut on the back. But it's been leaking, and as you see, the O-ring just slides on and off. So gonna get this thing washed, got this thing washed, and got new packages of O-rings. So then we'll see how level I got it. So I don't lose that.
I need to go get more O-rings. didn't hit yet. Here we go.
And we have light. Light goes on this and then on the other one covers it.
Yep. And that one goes in. You probably want to tie the cord to the green one just so they can't untie it.
And try not to lose the light bulb in the process.
Yeah. I got it. Probably yep, this side is
Is it level? Gonna go get this washed and then we'll come back and see if it's level. So I only filled it about a quarter full just so I can get the level tested. Probably going to move this so they have access to at least the two sides, but that looks pretty good. And heater there. We'll have to go grab the small grain bucket so Lucky can get in to eat. And that's mostly just to give him a flat spot. In the winter, the sunshine will be shining there. But with the shavings and everything, that looks pretty nice. Now gotta go spread shavings in the duck pen. And I think all the chickies are happy with the stuff to play in. Let's go make some ducks happy.
Yes, I'm coming in to do a little chop. Only slightly gooey.
Yeah. And this spot is just, it's not bad when it's frozen, but when it starts to thaw, it's just slippery all get out. And I have been putting shavings underneath the duck house itself. And yes, I know I'm only wearing one glove. I can't remember where I put the other one. Did you take my glove, LeBron's?
There you go. There's some stuff later.
So that looks really good for them. And over on this side, we have been collecting the maple leaves and everything to throw down. And one of the benefits with this is like second cutting stubble, so it's really short. So in the spring when I go to rake it up, in theory it shouldn't mat down like the grass hay that we did last year. That was so much fun not to clean out of the duck pen. This should be a lot easier for spring cleanup and pulling the old compost from last year out of the composter for the garden and putting the new stuff over there. But I did notice the other day when I was putting shavings in the duck coop that you need to get out here and get all this knotweed cut down. But that green limb right there is from this plum tree that we thought had died, so we just cut it back, and it put on growth that was buried by the knotweed. You guys have to go back to the chicken coop if you want straw to play in. Don't worry, you'll be in that pen here in a week or so. So, got the pine, I keep calling it pine shavings, the straw put down just in time. It was rainy, icky this morning, so I'm gonna get the knotweed cleaned up. Is it okay if I show everyone what you're doing right now? My cousin's here, and LeBron's has replaced Chickenbach as the friendly, lovey turkey. She just loves to be held and petted. She'll follow you around until you pay attention to her. So gonna get this stuff cleaned out, remove their hiding spot. Since I got the time, I'm just gonna continue around the greenhouse, and when I get to about where the tumbler is, take it off time lapse, show you what I have there, and get this cleaned up. So I'm actually shocked that there was no chicken eggs back here, because I have seen one of my henny pennies back here, but pulling out the marigolds that were here, and I didn't plant any carrots, and I got a carrot bonus. But over here, I'm not gonna clean this whiskey barrel out just because, I mean, I'll trim some of this back, but I'm hoping that having the stuff on it will help protect the roots of the jasmine vine. But over here, as you see, I have Shadow, and she's on some chicken eggs thinking she's going to be birdie. Unfortunately for her, I'm going to clean this bed out and those eggs will be taken away. Well, other than the one turkey egg, I have no idea how old these guys are.
Yeah.
So that is a freshly turkey. So there was 6 turkey eggs under there. This one I know is freshly hatched because it's all nice and clean. And 6 chicken eggs. So now we'll have to be looking to see where her other place she's going to be laying is. But isn't that a pretty egg? Too bad I don't like the taste of turkey eggs. Well, with LeBron's help, we got it cleaned up out here. This is where I'm going to end today's video. Gonna dump this load and go in. David John's got lunch cooking for us. So on that note, talk to you guys later. Bye. Yeah, you're a good turkey. I love turkey. Yeah. Don't put me down, Mom. Yeah. Love you, little girl. Okay. Up, down. Up, down. Good girl. Yeah.